Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Who better to learn from than the iconic Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple Inc. Steve Jobs was not only a visionary entrepreneur, but also a master of innovation, design, and leadership. His insights can serve as a beacon for anyone looking to succeed in the business world. So if you're ready to master the art of business, join us on this journey as we explore Steve Jobs' invaluable advice. Number 1. Passion is paramount. In Steve Jobs' world, passion wasn't merely a preference, it was the bedrock of success. He ardently believed pursuing one's true passion is what ignites innovation and fuels the pursuit of excellence. In his iconic Stanford commencement speech, Jobs declared with unwavering conviction, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." This philosophy drove him throughout his life, turning Apple into a tech giant. His belief in the transformative power of passion isn't just a lesson, but a beacon for anyone aspiring to master the art of business. It's the heart of innovation, the catalyst for unwavering determination, and the key to creating products that change the world. So, embrace your passion, and you're on your way to crafting a successful business journey. Number 2. Stay hungry, stay foolish. In the realm of Steve Jobs' wisdom, "Stay hungry, stay foolish" stands as a beacon of his philosophy, encapsulating the essence of insatiable curiosity and a perpetual beginner's optimistic mindset. This iconic quote underlines Jobs' belief that in the ever-evolving landscape of technology, complacency is the enemy of progress. By embracing an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and a willingness to take risk, entrepreneurs can stay nimble, innovative, and most importantly, ahead of the curve. For Jobs, the hunger for new insights and the courage to question the status quo were the driving forces behind his groundbreaking innovations. Number 3. Embrace failure as a pathway to success. In Steve Jobs' guidance, "Embrace failure as a pathway to success" shines as a pivotal thread. Jobs encountered his fair share of defeats, notably his ousting from Apple, the company he co-founded. Yet, instead of succumbing to the weight of failure, he perceived it as an invaluable opportunity for growth, a crucible in which his vision could be refined. This unwavering resilience paved the path to his triumphant return to Apple and ushered in an era of unparalleled innovation. Steve Jobs' life story serves as a powerful testament to the idea that failure isn't a dead end, but a stepping stone to achievement. Number 4. Simplify and focus. In the tapestry of Steve Jobs' wisdom, the principle of simplify and focus stands as a testament to his remarkable vision. With the mantra, focus and simplicity, Jobs championed the idea that simplicity, whether in product design or business strategy, is a cornerstone of success. He understood that by concentrating efforts on a select few projects and executing them flawlessly, a company could achieve more than by spreading itself too thin across a myriad of initiatives. This approach allowed Apple to create products that resonated with users on a profound level. Jobs' legacy reminds us that the path to mastering the art of business often involves the elegance of simplicity and the power of unwavering focus. Number 5. Craft products that enrich lives. In Steve Jobs' profound business philosophy, the mantra, "Craft products that enrich lives," takes center stage. Jobs' obsession with creating products that were not only functional, but also aesthetically beautiful and life-enhancing remains a cornerstone of his legacy. He championed the idea that products should not just be used, but genuinely loved. This perspective led to the creation of iconic Apple products, which not only met functional needs, but became integral to users' lives. Steve Jobs' enduring lesson is that to master the art of business, one must strive to enrich the lives of customers through products that marry form and function, leaving an indelible mark on the world. Number 6. Surround yourself with excellence. Embedded in the fabric of Steve Jobs' wisdom is the resounding principle: surround yourself with excellence. Jobs firmly believed in the philosophy that A players hire A players, B players hire C players. He understood that to maintain a company's quality and foster innovation, it's imperative to assemble a team of the finest talents. The collective brilliance of exceptional individuals can propel a business to heights that a single person could never achieve. His enduring advice underscores the essence of mastering the art of business: to build and nurture a team of excellence that can drive innovation and create enduring legacies. Number 7. Trust in your intuition. In Jobs' business wisdom, the axiom, "trust in your intuition," emerges as a profound directive. While market research and data play a pivotal role, Jobs was renowned for his unwavering faith in his gut instincts. He had an extraordinary knack for developing products, not merely based on what customers articulated as their desires, but on what he profoundly believed they would need or come to desire. This visionary approach yielded revolutionary products such as the iPad, iPhone, and iPod, creations that people didn't know they yearned for until they were brought into existence. Steve Jobs' enduring message is that while data and market research are crucial, the ability to trust and act upon one's intuition can lead to innovation and business success that transcends conventional boundaries. Number 8. Cultivate an interdisciplinary perspective. The principle of cultivate an interdisciplinary perspective emerges as a beacon of innovation in Steve's business art. Jobs was a visionary who transcended the confines of the tech world, drawing inspiration from a diverse array of fields like calligraphy, philosophy, and music. He firmly believed in the power of a broad perspective, often melding insights from seemingly unrelated domains to fuel his innovative pursuits. For him, creativity was all about connecting things from various disciplines. Steve Jobs' enduring lesson is that a multidisciplinary perspective can ignite unparalleled creativity, offering a transformative lens for mastering the art of business. Number 9. Persevere against the naysayers. The principle, persevere against the naysayers, emerges as a testament to Jobs' unwavering resilience. Throughout his storied career, Jobs encountered skepticism and naysayers at every turn, from projects as varied as the Macintosh to the iPhone. Yet he remained unyielding in the face of doubt and adversity. For Jobs, the belief in one's vision, even when met with skepticism, was indispensable for pioneering innovation. His unrelenting pursuit of his goals not only defied critics, but also led to the creation of groundbreaking products that changed the world. Steve Jobs' indomitable spirit serves as an enduring lesson, reminding us that to truly master the art of business, a conviction in one's vision is essential, even when the journey is fraught with skepticism and challenges. Number 10. Create experiences, not just products. In the profound wisdom of Steve Jobs, the precept "create experiences, not just products" radiates with brilliance. Jobs believed that selling a product wasn't a mere transaction. It was about offering an entire experience, a lifestyle. Take the Apple Store, for instance. It's not merely a retail space, but an embodiment of Apple's philosophy and an integral part of the Apple experience. Jobs urged businesses to transcend the realm of commodities and embrace the art of crafting holistic, immersive experiences. This visionary approach has elevated brands beyond functionality, fostering loyalty and a profound connection with consumers. Steve Jobs' indelible lesson is that to master the art of business, one must embrace the creation of experiences that transcend the ordinary, enriching lives and leaving an indelible mark on the world. In essence, Steve Jobs' business acumen was a masterful blend of passion, vision, resilience, and innovation. His wisdom challenges the status quo, encouraging people to think differently and create uncharted paths. Jobs' legacy resonates through generations, inspiring entrepreneurs and innovators worldwide. His words and actions continue to shape the way we approach business and creativity, reminding us to carve our unique space in the world. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.